today is a new day and a new tutorial for you guys. So I'm using my 4mm hook and my 8-ply acrylic yarn, which is light yellow. So to start with our project is we're going to create a magic ring. And we're going to chain. And once we created our magic ring, we're going to single crochet into this magic ring. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So as you are seeing me, okay, while working, I'm closing or I'm pulling this tail, okay, so to close. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 10, and we're going to slip stitch into the first chain, and from here we're going to chain 1, and we're going to work into every stitch. Okay, pull that, and 2 and 3, and yarn will pull through all, and then you close that, and then move on to the next one with 1, 2, and 3, and close that, and you move to the next one with the same process. 1, 2, 3, and close, and move on to the next. 1, 2, 3, and continue. Okay, so I'm going to continue this, and I'll come back and meet you back. And now we have one more. Okay, and close that, and then now we're going to slip stitch to finish. And cut the yarn. Now we're going to work and change our color. So I'm grabbing my pink color. Okay, so you can go straight into it. Okay, so you just have to insert it into this space and pull up, chain 3. So I'm just gluing this, pull, make it tighter, and into the same space we're going to pull up our yarn higher as your chain 3. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, and now you're going to yarn over and then pull through all these, and you close it, chain 3, and into the same space a single crochet, and we finish our first petal. Chain 3 and into the next space it should do the same thing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yarn over, pull through all the loops and close it. Chain 3 and single crochet. And now we have our 2 petals. We will be continuing doing this. Chain 3 after that, and into the next. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Yarn over, pull through and close it. Chain 3 and single crochet. Okay, so we're going to continue that until we get to the end, and I'll come back and I'm going to show you our final project. Okay, so I have 1 more left. Chain 3 and we will be doing the last one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 3 and into the same space we're going to do our single crochet. And now we are done. And this is how it looks like. Okay, so you just have to cut your yarn, and that is how it looks like.